Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss about two job opportunities that has been floated by Accenture on its website where even freshers can apply. So in this video I am going to discuss with you eligibility criteria, job description and the interview rounds along with questions and sample answers. So be there in the video till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I make videos on job opportunities and interview preparation. So let's start off today's video with the first opening, which is of a query management of non-voice process. The eligibility criteria for this position is that you should be a graduate, it could be in any stream. You should have good written and verbal communications in English. You should have the ability to work under pressure, and you should be cooperative with rotational shifts because any shift can be given to you. Next comes the job description. So here you will be aligned with their customer support vertical, and you will help in resolving customers' queries, handling escalations and complaints of the dissatisfied customers, and giving best solutions. You will be responsible for closing the fault and complaints of customers. You will be accountable for the inbound, outbound calls and email chat support to resolve customer issues. The main task will be here to resolve it through email and chat support since it is a non-voice role majority, but sometimes you may have to do calling also. You will be responsible for recording, diagnosing, troubleshooting, resolving or assigning incidents and service requests based on a defined scope of support. And this is basically the job description. So more or less it focuses on solving the complaints of customers through email, chat support and sometimes through calling. Next, we move on to the job insights. So, regarding the salary, it will be around 2.4 to 4.8 LPA, which comes around 20 to 40,000 per month. Experience will be 0 to 1 year. Employment status is permanent, and the location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. I have given the link in the description box for all these three locations. You can choose accordingly. Next, we move on to the interview round. Round one will be a written test, which will consist of quantitative questions, English test for grammar and typing speed, and some Excel based questions. So, you should be familiar with Excel also. Round two will be HR round. They will ask you behavior questions related to your resume. And round three will be managerial round to check your English communication skills and confidence level. Now, the next opening that they have floated is workforce management. Here also the eligibility criteria is almost similar. Should be a graduate, should have good communications in English, ability to work under pressure, and should be cooperative with rotational shifts. Regarding the job description, here you will support their business operations vertical and help them supervise day-to-day operational and administrative activities, ensuring that all processes are followed, executed, and deadlines are met. You will be responsible for short-term planning, management, maintaining internal forecast, and tracking of forecast accuracy. You will track progress in the areas of staffing, logistics, and change management and reports or highlight the deviations. You will monitor scheduling efficiencies, recommend schedule changes, operating hours to meet the optimum utilization of agents and seats. So here the workforce management team focuses on maximizing performance levels and competency of an organization. This include all activities needed to maintain a productive workforce such as field service management, human resource management, performance and training management, data collection, recruiting, budgeting, forecasting, scheduling and analytics. So you will be involved in all these things. So you will learn quite a lot for this particular position. So job insights salary is similar between 2.4 to 4.8. Maximum it can go up to 5 LPA. Experience level is similar. Employment status is permanent, but the location for this one is Chennai. So for this also, I am giving the link in the description box. You can click the link and you will be directed to straight away the website of Accenture where this position has been floated, and there you can apply directly. Now the interview rounds, round 1 will be again written test, which will be quantitative English and reasoning ability questions. Round 2 HR round for BVA questions, and round 3 managerial round. So interview rounds are similar. So some of the interview questions in HR and managerial round have been included. The most common here is walk me through your resume. This is similar as to introduce yourself, where you will have to discuss about your education background, interests, hobbies, and career goals. Next, very common question that is asked by Accenture in its interviews: what was the toughest decision you had to make? So here the interviewer wants to check your decision making ability. So I have written a sample answer for fresher. The toughest decision in my life was to relocate to a different city, far from my parents, and coming out of comfort zone to get better education. Staying away from parents was really very tough, but sometimes life demands something which is not easy to do, but anyhow you have to do that, and I have done that. So if you give that answer, this will be quite a satisfactory answer where you are showing that you can go out of comfort zone to achieve something which will leave a good impression to the company. And if you have any other answer or you have any other situation that you have faced, you can say. Next common question is what makes you angry. Here the tip is that you have to present yourself as someone who, like most people, only occasionally gets annoyed by certain situations, but do not lash out in outbursts of anger, because company does not want someone to be too easily get angry, because you will have to deal with customers here. So that is why they ask this question. So a sample answer could be: when I am on a tight deadline and working to finish a project, I get frustrated if I run into roadblocks, like if my internet won't load. So this answer is really useful, and it works because it's not unreasonable that this situation would anger someone, and points to the candidate being eager to get work done. So the interview will also notice that you are using the word frustrated here to instead of getting angry. So you can really give a good answer like this. Next, they ask about strength and weaknesses. So for strengths, mention the strengths can be useful for the role, and for the weakness, mention a weakness that will not adversely affect the job role, and say that you are making efforts to improve. Now, sometimes they can also ask you why this role, especially when you have done education that is not related to this role. So here you have to mention your behavioral strengths that are connected with this role. Next question is why Accenture? So here you can talk about their brand name. Moreover, they have a very experienced team, so you will have good opportunities to learn. It is an MNC or a global company, that is also one positive, and diverse work culture is there. You will interact with people from all around the world, so that can also be a good positive to join this company. So, friends, this was about this job opening and interview related questions. So, in case this has been useful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.